Do subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon for latest updates. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can host your static website completely free of cost with SSL enabled. So let's start. First you need to have a website and a domain name. And these are the files of my website. If you don't have a domain name, then you can register it for completely free. In Freenom, you can register for a free domain name. Go to Freenom and search for a new domain name. Here in my case, you can see that there are two domains available. I will select TK extension. Now again search for the same domain name with extension and click on checkout. Choose a plan according to your choice. It is completely free for 1 year. Click on continue. And accept the terms and condition. And complete the order. Now go to my domains, and here you can see all the domain that you have registered. Go to Google Drive and create a folder and name it with your domain name. And enable the link sharing option. And inside the folder, paste the website files. Now open up a new tab and go to Drive to Web. It provides serverless web hosting service. And here select Host on Google Drive option. I will suggest you not to use your main or official email because it requires some permissions for see, edit and modify your Google Drive files, which may harm your privacy. I am also using a temporary email address. Now click on allow and you will be redirected to the admin panel. This site will automatically detect your website folder and gives you an accessible link. From here you can access your website. Now here you can see that we are accessing our website. We have to remove this part. To do that, go to the Freenom and change the name servers to default. Go to the manage Freenom DNS and here we have to add a new record. In the type, select CNAME and in the name section, type www. This will take some time to reflect the changes. Here you can see that we can access our site using the domain. But SSL is not enabled here. So to enable the SSL, we will use Cloudflare. First, create an account on Cloudflare and add your site there. Select the free plan and confirm it. It will automatically import the CNAME and we have to add a new text record. Click on add record and select the type text and type www in the name section. In the content section, type drtvw is equal to and paste the drive to web link here. And save it. Now to enable the SSL, go to the SSL section and turn on always use HTTPS. Now for reflecting the changes, we have to use the Cloudflare name servers. Go to the Freenom and click on manage domain. In the management tool, select name server and use custom name server. Copy the Cloudflare name server and paste it here. And click on change name server. It will take some time to update the records. According to this website, it may take up to 24 hours. And here you can see that we can access our site with SSL enabled. So thanks for watching the video.